it's not sustainable. That's one of the biggest things. So that's why it's important to like. That's why I need to. I think I don't have much of a sounding board. I think I need I need a funnel to bring in leads systematically without me having to depend on creating content. So that's pretty much going to be, and we have the funnel too. I've been using ChatGPT, which is what I'm going to bring a lot of you around to kind of work out this funnel map. Uh, so you had a spike, spike in demand, but also a burnout, because like content takes so much as a burnout. It takes a lot out of you. So I think this is the conversation. Okay, yeah, this is the funnel that I want. Let's take all this information out because I was using ChatGPT. God, I gotta figure out how to show you guys what's on my screen better than the phone, but I will get to that. Okay, cool. So I have a playbook basically, and then just kind of getting organized. Have you built any analysis flows to see how it contributes to your traffic waves? Not really. Well, I have analytics from like tools like Metrical and stuff like that, which is great. I get traffic, but it's a hard pitch to sell. I shouldn't say it's a hard pitch, but it's a hard ask to go from no or like your first core offer is a $97 community. That's like a huge. I need low ticket offers as basically the value ladder is what I'm missing. Instagram ad campaign funnel. Okay, so that's a lot of what I'm trying to work out. So talking with ChatGPT, which is so nice, to try and work out a plan, which I think I have most of it, and KPIs and goals for at least what it should convert into. So basically, for it, it's going to be lead magnet, or basically, it's definitely going to be Instagram ad campaign. Going to have a lead magnet with the. I don't even need an opt-in page because I could build everything inside of it. So they just fill out the form and they'll get the email, which is nice. So I don't need to send them off platform, which is nice. But this will build the email list from here that will then pitch one of two conversion events, either a 5-day challenge or a low ticket one time buy, like a custom GPT 10 custom GPT pack basically. So and then from there, that 5-day challenge is what's going to pitch the community from there. So it's an easy upsell. It's not high ticket or anything. And then I can bolt on other things. So that's roughly what the strategy is. So I don't. Let's see. Let's just start working with the ad campaign and getting that account set up, and then I could kind of build from the ad backwards instead of backwards forwards. It really doesn't matter. Let's go to Facebook. Oh man, it's been so long. I think I closed my ad account. That's why. That's how long it's been with this. Let me log in. Hopefully, I just need to hopefully reactivate it. I think it still works. One password. Hold on. What tools are you going to use to deploy this? Pretty much just as Facebook ads, which is going to be an Instagram ad campaign, and then Zapier to take the email out and drop it into a Kit email automation sequence. Pretty much that will get me a low cost per click, more or less. Oh, I need to. Oh shoot. Oh no, actually, this will work here. That's going to be the easiest. And then from there, I could use an email sequence basically to, let's see, I'm just logging into Facebook right now. That way, okay. Let's first get logged into Facebook. Yes, trust this device. Sorry, it's makes everything run so much faster, man. What you're in the UK? No, I'm not in the UK, in the US. Okay, so that's not good. Let's see details. Why? We restricted your ad account. Por qué? This may... No, because yeah, that one has the ad overview. There's nothing in review, approved, or rejected. Open ad manager. You can't use this business account to advertise. Why? Oh, so apparently this isn't going to work. I need Facebook to review my ad account to, I guess, reactivate it. That's fun. Wow, so much for this exercise. Business manager, business science. Yeah, this may not work out. Right now, I'm trying. I think I'll just put you guys on me for a second. I'm trying to go through Facebook. I think I closed my ad account. That's why I closed it. That's why they may not let me reactivate it per se. Maybe. We shall see. There's probably something I have to just request a review. So if I could request a review, then I could move on to other things. If not, because there's Instagram ads. Like, it's not the end of the world. I could run an Instagram ad campaign. I'm not sorry. I'm sorry, not an Instagram ad campaign. I could run a TikTok ad campaign. Basically, is like what I'm saying. Okay, so let me. I think. Should I just go for TikTok ads? I think so. I think I should just create a TikTok ad account, basically. Like, maybe that's the sign. What do you guys think? I think let's try that. Let's sign up for a TikTok ad account. That would be very interesting. Because then I could keep going. Then I could. I saw the sign. I saw the sign. Let's see. Let me log in, because this will be good. I've never ran a Instagram or a TikTok ad campaign, so this will be very interesting. Why not? Let me just see if I can sign in, and then we could kind of go through the process. I'm just kind of like not showing sensitive information, but at least talking through the process, because that may be better. Log in. Cool. Let me log in. Hope everyone's having a good day. But it's likely wrong. Happened to me. Yeah, I'll go through the process of like getting it re-verified, which is no problem. Okay, so I'm in TikTok. How do you run ads? TikTok ads. Sign up for TikTok ads. Advertising on TikTok. Let's do this. I'll spend some money on TikTok. Get $100 free for free ads. Enjoy 50% off ads. Sorry. This will be fun. I know. This may work out. Sometimes when one door closes, God opens a whole wall. Okay, do you have an account? This is TikTok for business. I don't have an account. Forgive me, everyone on YouTube. I would really show my screen right now, but usually when you're going through the sign up process, there's a lot of sensitive information real quick. So once I get past the sensitive information part, I'm more than happy to share what's on my screen. Right now, I'm just gonna talk about it and do a play-by-play. Excuse me. We need to create a password. So let's create a new password here. I got to make sure this is a really strong password, Because if this works out, there's one guy that like I'm kind of curious. Like he runs ads, but it's hell in the hallway. You guys are funny. Okay, I accept, and I don't want to subscribe. I want to. Can you sign up with just TikTok, or is it a separate account? I guess just a separate thing. So let me save this. Give TikTok. Oh, and I could try that privacy app. So this is TikTok business ads. Okay. Website URL. Definitely use a password manager. Highly recommend that. So let's sign up. Okay, let's verify I am who I say I am. Okay, we're going to send you a verification email. We'll see how far we get with this. It's like, TikTok, I want to give you money. I want to give you money so that you can run these ads, because that would be very interesting. How hyper targeted are their ad campaigns? All right, now I'm going to go through, set up the process of setting up the website, or they just want to know what's the website. So let's share the website, business name, industry. I am in education. I'm not in education. I'm in services and what, consulting services. Okay. This, da da da. Okay, by clicking you confirm. By clicking you agree to join the beta test and agree in terms. Join the beta test program. What is the beta? I guess I gotta confirm it. Sure. Okay. Okay, confirm the phone number. We're almost there, making progress. If this is easier than advertising on Meta, then that's like dope. That would be super dope. But we shall see. Okay. TikTok Ads Manager. Okay, I think I can start showing you guys some stuff. I have reviewed and will abide by their anti-discrimination. Sure. I will not use TikTok advertising for any wrong. Sure. Learn more about how. Oh yeah, I'm not doing that, so that makes sense. Accept. Okay. Create the ad. Okay, now I can show you guys what we're working with here. Now I get to create an ad. Okay, so you guys are watching on YouTube. Okay, now I can show you guys. Here we go. Invite Brad. Man, is Brad Nat watching? No way. Brad Nat's watching. Nah. Oh, she's gone. We were blessed with a celebrity, and then she comes and goes. She's like, nah, nothing going on here. Nothing AI here. She has great content. If you haven't followed Brad Nat, she's awesome. Okay, so go, Jonathan, go. Pioneer. That way I can say, okay, so once you set up an account, this is what you're set with. You just add your info. We're going to create the campaign, and then I'll add my payment details. My goal is to spend $1,000 divided by 30. So I got $33 to spend. So that's probably going to be, I feel like a gambling man, 3 ad campaigns at $10 each, so that I could test 3 different ad campaigns for it. So yeah, okay. Now, oh man, this is going to be very interesting. I could go a couple different ways with this too. It's like, do I just use an AI avatar? So I want lead generation. I want leads through your website or forums. Yeah, because I want, what are the different objectives here? Okay, I want lead generation through the forums. Continue. Campaign name. Okay. Oh, well, this is bringing back memories. I miss the ad days. I love running ads. Like, I'm just nerdy like that, because you get data and it's like a game. You're just trying to like optimize the ad campaigns to get more leads. It's like super fun, at least for me, especially when it's your money. 5-19 2025. This is going to be AI community one, AI leads V1. So always when I name it, I always name it with the date and then version 1, version 2, version 3, because I may want to go back to that one or I may want to do something. Now, this is what I want to collect them through an instant form, because that way I don't want to take them off platform. If I take them off platform in Facebook world, they actually charge you more money for that for every click off platform. So I'll use their built-in form submission. Nice. TikTok includes search results, user comments. We recommend keeping comment. Okay, cool. Allow video download. People based in I don't want them to download it. Allow video sharing. Sure, they can share it. Really doesn't matter. Okay. Continue. Okay, use TikTok ad accounts to deliver ads to ensure all views, comments, and likes and gains. Okay, so connect your TikTok account. Okay, wait, gotta move you guys off. Actually, you guys could just look at me for 5 seconds because I'm gonna link my TikTok account. They want to know who I am. Connect a TikTok account. If this works, it will work. It's dope. Send me a verification code. Sure. Send me verification code so that I can run ads. Ads. It would be interesting to see how good TikTok ads convert. This may be super interesting. Okay. Oh, send code. So then it sends the code. It wants to verify you are who you say you are. I gotta think of what the ad campaign. It's got to be a video. I've seen different ones, especially on my camera roll too. I should have saved those. Actually, I do have them on my camera roll. Shoot. Okay, cool. Almost there. Do you want to link an account? Yes, I do. Okay, it's like a Zapier kind of thing. We want to sync your ad account with your ad profile. Great. This account is already linked to a TikTok for business account. A TikTok account can only be linked to one TikTok for business account at a time. If you want to link this account to another one, you should first unlink it. Log out and log into a business one, and then unlink it. Oh, shoot. So what is that one? Oh, so I linked it to... Okay, so I linked it to another account. So I apparently tried this in the past, and I used a different email. So log out. Wait, so then I go business account. TikTok ads for a business account. Okay, here. Gotta, TikTok for business. Same thing. And then log in. And then I logged in with a different email. That's why. So apparently I already have this ad account set up because I tried this sometime in the past. I think I tried it and then bailed. Wait, no, log out. Log out. How do you log out? Sign out. How do you sign out? Oh, tools. Okay, don't make me clear my cookies. Figuring things out, trying to... I know this is like the most boring live stream, but I'm like, I gotta try something new. All tools, yep. Unless one of the phone... I know, if they create it, I doubt it though. That would be funny. That would be wild if... That would be too wild. But they can't create an account without... Okay, how do I... I'm just gonna clear the cookies. Forget this. I have the ability to just delete all the cookies. Done. Refresh. Cool. Now I can log in. So I must have it saved in 1Password then. Unless it's the same one. Oh, I probably used the same one. Log in with TikTok. That's what I did. I used the same email to log in and link my account to my business account. Okay, cool. And that makes sense. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. Logged in. Good. Okay, now continue. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, verify email. Learning. You gotta learn something new every day. Learn how to do something so cool. I also probably need a video. I think of a good video too. No pressure on that. You don't have permission to access this account. Maybe change parameters last year. Click on the home screen, select a different account. Ooh, oh man. Is today just not the day for creating? Okay, so is this the same thing? Did it just give me the same? So hold on. Let me try this again. Do this, instant form, continue, connect. Oh, okay. Wait. Yes, I want to use this one. Okay. You go and click so many buttons until, okay. Use TikTok account to deliver ads. Yes. So wait, so you don't have to link a TikTok account to run ads? Interesting. Okay. I think that's why. And then creatives. So I could boost an ad. I don't want to boost an ad. I want to create a new ad. I want to do from TikTok post, or I want to upload one. Okay, so now I got to create the creative. Great. Now the fun part. Okay. We're in. We got the right account. We're linked. We're making progress. We're good. We're good. We're good. I just forgot the wrong email. Okay, so let me do now the fun part. Oh man, no pressure. Now I gotta figure out an ad campaign. Okay. All right. We are looking good now. So now, oh man, too bad there's no like TikTok ad library. Okay, so let me grab this one quick thing from my camera roll. So I will be back in 10 seconds. I just need to grab an app. Okay, here, photos, because I saved. There it is. I think that's the only one. Share that. Yeah, share that. Share this. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Because I was funnel hacking competitors, and I saw this ad, and I really liked it.
Weeks, you'll have your strategy. In 3 weeks,
Oh, I love having.
Teenagers are building businesses with AI while the only AI you know is ChatGPT.
to the people over 40 who don't know how to use AI. Tomorrow morning, we're starting the 28-day AI challenge for beginners over 40. Just 15 minutes a day to level up your life. In 1 week, you'll feel unstoppable. In 2 weeks, you'll have your strategy. In 3 weeks,
Can't hear?
you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Tap to the screen to join us.
Little better?
Teenagers are building
A little better?
Jumps in there, buddy.
That, I think I'm going to run like that as an ad. Because I've been seeing their ads, and they're obviously targeting me, and they're obviously running and spending money, and it's obviously working. So I want to do something like this on a 5-day challenge. Yep, you saw that one too. So if they're targeting me and targeting you, and we're both our ideal customers, so it's like, why not behoove me to create a simple one like that too? And instead of the AI Masters, instead of a 28-day challenge, just a 5-day challenge would be enough. So let's create something like this. I'm gonna okay, let's jump into Canva. Let's jump into Canva. Yes, but I think it's so commercialized, is what just like, yeah, it's like, I like that it's pitching a 5-day challenge. Technically, that's great. I just want to go and straight pitch. No, these comments are great. So please, like, share, like Daisy and Sarah, like, share your feedback too, like your thoughts on it, because, like, I'm basically targeting people like you, anyways. So it's like I could do a 5-day challenge and put 5 really cool AI apps for business. Obviously, ChatGPT. Don't think of some other ones that are in there. It doesn't need to be 28 days, but some 5-day challenge. And you know what? I could get Canva, or I'm sorry, ChatGPT to create something like this, because this is just a overview, because you have a video and then you have a stock that below, which I think is not bad. I swipe when I see all the icons. Good to know. So no icons. And what if it was just like this? Come on and say hi. That's curious. Because like, why not market test? Market test the ad. But so what if it was just like this? It was, if it was just the guy talking, and then
To the people over 40 who
Like
don't know
that.
how to use AI, tomorrow morning we're starting the 28-day AI challenge for beginners over 40. Just 15 minutes a day to level up your life. In one
I don't know about the offer. I would target entrepreneurs. Hey, Sarah. What are your thoughts?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing amazing. Happy Monday.
That's so happy Monday. It's so funny. I saw that same ad, and it's like when I see all the icons, it's like, okay, yeah, I don't have time to read all of them.
Seems overwhelming too, and I was like, "What are all these things? I don't know what they are." But
Yeah, maybe simplifying it.
because I can just do. Okay, then what are your thoughts on something like this? Much more minimal, because I could create something like this, like
ChatGPT gets a whopping 75 million visits every single day. Yet most people are still
Oh
stuck
yeah,
in
I saw her
mode,
too.
asking it to write captions, summarize articles, or brainstorm
And you know why I
ideas.
swiped?
The worst part,
Hmm.
it feels like no one has figured out
Because
how
she
to
was so young. Isn't that terrible?
No, but that's true. But if it, that's why he's running all the different demographics on all the different ages. So it's like, yes, if I was being like hyper targeted, like then because he's doing more, especially in the older man category. But you're so right, because if they don't look like you, then it's like you're for sure gonna swipe.
Yeah, well, and it's like I'm not gonna have a 20-year-old tell me relationship advice. You know, that's the way I feel when I see someone that young pitching. I don't know that, and she's probably not that young. It's just bias, my own bias swiping, because everyone swipes. It's like something that really grabs your attention is someone that sounds like they are an authority talking and hitting those pain points.
What if I show up on camera? Would you
Yeah.
swipe?
No, I mean
'Cause-
we're obviously here.
It's like, why AI myself? Why not just Curtis? So,
Right, Daisy?
so in that case, it's just working out a script basically for a 5-day challenge. For
Yeah, and maybe like this simple 1, 2, 3.
all you have to do is click the link below, sign up, and
Yeah,
then
I think in hitting the pain point too, like you always tell us, you know,
Mm-hmm.
of, you know, too much to do, can't get it all done. Let me help you simplify, or you know, something like that.
are you overwhelmed? Actually, I could go right into the brain of my custom GPT because it has
Oh,
those
yeah.
notes. It's like these key things to say, hey, are you pain points? Where are the pain points? Okay, industry, biggest fears. You're overwhelmed by too many tools. There's not enough time to get everything done, everything in the business done. You feel behind, and the AI world moves fast. You can't keep up. And you know AI can help you, but you don't know where to start. Hi, my name is John.
Hey, there we go.
In the next 5 days,
I think swipe away up.
Like,
Still.
like, go on, mystery man. Are you gonna sell me a pizza? Like, what you got? What you got cooking back there?
Got some tots.
Turn this into a 30-second script that speaks. Hey. Speaks to the pain points and offers a free 5-day challenge to learn how to use AI in your business.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is going to get easier then. Oh, let's test this out. Doop, boop, boop, doop, boop. Okay, let's see. Okay, script number 1. Are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? Don't worry, you're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. And every week there's a new tool, a new hack, and you're stuck spinning your wheels and there's no real strategy. If you're short on time and you're tired of feeling behind, join my 5-day AI business challenge. It's completely free. I'll show you exactly how to start using AI to save hours, get more organized, and actually grow your business. And best part, you don't need any tech skills. So grab your spot down below, and let's get unstuck.
Yeah.
Decent.
Nice.
Decent.
Speaking to your people.
I could do a couple different variations of that using Gling, which is so nice.
Wow, there you
That's
go.
the cheat code. Because then you guys are gonna watch me record the ad right now. Why not? Because then it's like, because I rather get messy and just get something roughly up, and then I can fine tune it over time. Because I want to run even a few variations of it. So I could use OBS shirt, or I feel like I put on a nice little coat. It's not a coat, not too professional, but a little sweater, get a little two-tone. Pretend like I have some style, which I don't. Same 5 outfits.
Swap them out. Swap them out.
Easy peasy. Oh, then we could use. Oh yeah, we have some cool AI tools to get this done, which is super nice. So I'm going to use OBS to record the ad. Came back from a walk, so all sweaty. Kids outside playing. They'll be like, "Oh, he has a family. His kids outside playing."
It's nice out. It's dark here already.
I know. It's finally, it's a nice day just to get out. Okay, so we got the audio, got the mic. You guys gonna hang out? Yeah, you're good. This will take a couple seconds to just no pressure record, and then vertical shorts. Let me duplicate this. Call this vertical ad. So I'm gonna use OBS to record this whole thing. Shrink that tall. Put that in the middle. I think that's pretty good. Audio test. And the great thing about Gling is that I don't have to be perfect. I could just, man, I kind of wish I had a fan, but that works too. Okay, so let's nail these lines one at a time. You're gonna watch. This is also how I create content. So we're not even gonna memorize the script because I have the script right there. That's right there. This could stay a little off screen. We're gonna get an ad campaign going up. Where's makeup? Makeup! It's like a set. Cool. Okay, so I'm in the middle. That's good enough. Let's rock that. And let me burn a test. Audio test 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2. Okay, test the audio works. You always burn a test video. Burn a test. Audio test 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2. Okay, I need to move the mic down over here. I know the mic shouldn't be in frame, but he's going to sit there so you guys can see the whole process. Even if it's in the middle, that doesn't matter. I'm cool with that. I'd rather have that in the frame. Okay. OCD. Okay, there we go. Millions of people are going to see this. No pressure. They were like, John, why'd you have a booger on your face? Can't even have a booger. G to steak. It was like, Jesus. It's like, okay, let's try this. Record. Are you feeling over? Okay. Are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? You're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. Every week there's a new tool. Every week there's a new tool, a new hack, and you're spinning your wheels with no real strategy how to actually use AI. If you're short on time, wait. If you're short on time and if you're short on time and tired, if you're short on time and you're tired of feeling behind, join my free 5-day AI business challenge. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to save hours. Yeah. Stay organized and actually grow your business. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills. Grab your spot now. Let's get so click below. Click below to grab your spot. And let's get you unstuck. Okay, done. Raw, simple. Okay, kind of unmute yourself so you guys now get to see the whole process. Nice. Creating ads, and it's not AI. And it's not like I'm practicing for my TED Talk. Okay, so there's the burner. There's the actual. So I'm gonna do this raw test 1.
John, so this is how they get me.
I know, they're like, so this is what happens behind the scenes. Only I'm not using AI to sell you AI. They're going to be like, is he blinking? I don't know. That's a pretty good AI. Yo, John, what'd you use for your ad? You're like, was that HeyGen? You're like,
It looks so real.
that was HeyGen 5.0. Okay,
Right.
we'll call this ad. This is how easy this is, because I did this for a commercial for the, or not commercial, but for the ad campaign for the real estate ones. They're like, can you send us like a video to like, and I was like, oh, okay. That's why I've done this part before. So I'm like, oh, I know this
Right.
hack. And then
And Glean, man, it's gonna help you.
this is all just an ad for Glean. If you're not using Glean in your business, are you tired of editing videos manually? Trying to memorize a script? Watch how Glean is gonna cut all this up super nice. And then we can add captions.
Have you messed with the toggle that makes it really short or smooths it out?
I think I did. I cut it the empty blank spots, and I'll show you where that is. I think I cut it too much, and people were like, "Hey, it's your last series of videos were glitching," and I was like, "Oh, I went a little too extreme as far as like anything less than 0.5 a second pause, which is it." It's honestly hard to see what application you're using when you're supposed to. All right, now trust me, it's but it's worth it. It's worth it. We're learning how to run an ad campaign. Da 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 da. And if it works out with, Instagram ads, that would be. TikTok
You know
ads.
what's something that's interesting I heard the other day was the people on Shark Tank that come in to present before the panel.
Bum 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 bum
The
bum
ones
bum.
that do simple hand wave
Mm-hmm.
tend to get a higher response rate from the sharks.
Just
that
based
not
on
weird?
the hand wave.
Yeah, just based on a hand gesture.
With all 5 fingers and not 1
Yeah, and
finger.
that's why you see politicians when they come out, they wave. I was like, wow, I never even thought about the science of that.
Okay, let's see how this works. Are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? You're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. Every week there's a new. Then delete that. Every week there's a new tool, a new hack, and you're spinning your wheels with no real strategy how to actually use AI. If you're short on time and you're tired of feeling behind, join my free 5-day AI business challenge. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to save hours. Yeah. Stay organized. Delete. Stay organized and actually grow your business. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills. So click below. So take that sentence out. So click below to grab your spot, and let's get you unstuck. Okay. Delete. Okay, one last run through. Are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? You're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. Every week there's a new tool, a new hack, and you're spinning your wheels with no real strategy how to actually use AI. If you're short on time and you're tired of feeling behind, join my free 5-day AI business challenge. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to save hours, stay organized, and actually grow your business. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills. So click below to grab your. Take that out. Click below to grab your spot, and let's get you unstuck. Good enough. Export. And then add Gling. Because
And
then,
then are you gonna add the graphics with the 5-day? Is that
I think I'll do like captions or titles, and then I'm gonna put it in Gling right or CapCut right now to get the vertical version of that. So let's go CapCut. Dun 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 dun. That lives rent free in everyone's brain.
motivation?
Hi Sharks, my name is John, and I'm selling 20% equity for $5 billion. Like, what? What are you smoking?
It'll show up at your doorstep.
Overwhelmed by AI, you're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. Every week there's a new tool, a new hack. Okay, let's do captions. Add captions, very simple. And I could rip out a bunch of different tests like this for now, so it's...
So you ran that through your custom GPT to get the script?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Wow,
this...
so good.
That was the business coach GPT.
Okay.
So I pulled out the pain points from inside of it and just said, hey, write me a 30-second, because for a lot of people too, it's like, because that was pretty quick. It's like, hey, turn this into a 30-second script that speaks to the pain points and then offers a free 5-day challenge, how to use AI. And then I took the top pain points there and then said, here's a script. And then that's the AI business coach one. So it's like,
That's
oh, nice. So everyone has these tools, so you can do
Case
this
in
too.
point, case in point.
Use these tools. I'm using the same tools as everyone else. Okay, captions. Let's just try these. I'm sure there's a whole science to font and everything too. Okay. Business.
Sorry, I can't help you there.
Make this right here so you guys can see. Yeah, I love pausing videos. Like, okay. CapCut makes it so easy to like do this. You can't do this in DaVinci, which is super hard. Okay, cool. Are you feeling? Oh, that's a little too big. So let's bring it down. Right there.
You could, but you'd have to have a plugin.
Are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? You're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. Every week there's a new tool, a new hack, and you're spinning your wheels with no real strategy how to actually use AI. If you're
He's AI, for sure he's AI.
free 5-day AI business challenge. I'll show you exactly
There's
how
no
to
way.
use AI to save hours, stay organized, and actually grow your business. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills. Click below to grab your spot, and let's get you unstuck. Are you cool? That's good enough. Export. Add V1. Simple. Are you feeling overwhelmed by it? Cool. Okay, so now we have an ad. Okay, so let's name this. So when you name the ads, what I like doing is naming them, what's today's date? 5-19-2025. AI community, actually 5-day challenge. We'll just do 5-day challenge and then V1, because I'll do different versions. Instant form, I don't want to take them off the platform. Add comments and everything, sure. I'm feeling bold with the comments. Okay, then add it, just link it to my account, so they could probably just click on my profile and see I'm real. Oh, upload your
Is there a
creative.
reason why you don't want to take them off the platform?
Yeah, well, you totally can take them off platform to like your landing page and do a funnel there. But when I ran Facebook ads, they would actually charge you almost like 40% more if you took the user off platform versus like your cost per click. It was cheaper if you, because most of the platforms now have a built-in form that will pop up, enter their email, and then they could just go on their way. And then I think there's Zapier that basically will take the email and then send them the email. Okay, so now it's uploading. Oh, we're creating our first ad campaign, and it's a video ad campaign. This is dope. This is dope. Uploading. Use my data. Cool. And then we can relax once we got the first one, because I'm figuring this out too, so I don't know what's going to happen.
Yay!
And
Okay, I'm gonna hop off and watch you.
Cool, cool. Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate you. Feedback, see? That would have saved me a ton of time from the bubbles of like, hey, here's 14 bubbles, and then people would be like, why is my ad not confirming? Why didn't you ask your audience? Why not ask live stream every day? You guys are the consumers. So this is awesome. This works. If this works, then we're going to have a new course, how to run TikTok ads inside the community, so that you guys can learn how to run ads with the same tools. I used Business Coach GPT that you guys have access to, that did the script, that knows the customer's pain points. I have the Offer GPT in there. I got to add that one to come up with some. Well, we have the 5-day challenge lead or GPT in there. So the 5-day challenge will do the 5-day challenge of how you want to do it. Cool. And then we're used Gling or OBS to record. So I did OBS and then CapCut to edit it perfectly. And then from that, or Gling to edit it, CapCut to add it to a vertical, add captions, and then that's pretty much it. So a 30-second ad done in 10 minutes. So now, are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? You're not alone. You know AI can help your business. The text needs to be a little smaller. Yeah. Hold on. Text needs to be just a smidge smaller because there is, okay, I'm gonna get nerdy. Okay, wait, hold on, because I want to, okay, that first couple seconds, because I want to, there's little things. This is actually good to know that, like, there's, like, cutoff. It's almost like printing business cards. And you're spinning your wheels with no real strategy. Okay, so how to actually cut it off on the second L. So, how to actually, and I need to cut it right there. So, cool, and then I'm just going to shrink you a little more. That's better. And actually, I have more real estate on the left hand side, actually. Yeah, it's the right side that has all that, so I need to move it. I could shift it left and make it a little bigger so that it's, because I want to make sure the font size is like super easy for people to read as well too. So actually make you bigger, and that's gonna cut it just a little. Let's smidge a little smaller. That's good. Okay, so let's do that. And and then that one sentence with the S. Where to start? There's that's okay. All the people that are grammar experts are be like, you're missing an apostrophe. How dare you? It's not grammatically correct. That's what's going to get all the comments. Okay, cool. Add V2. Render super easily. What's up, Tom? Good to see everyone. Are you feeling overwhelmed by AI? Okay, and then here, let's trash this. Add a creative. Upload the new one. Upload this one. Add V2. And analyzing. Upload. Take this old one. And can I trash that one? Nah, that's fine. Actually, I don't want that one. Okay, so it's uploading version 2. It's because the same process is almost very similar to like what were we editing? Because a lot of this, like, what's up, Winston? We are running TikTok ads. You're gonna see me all the time on ads. A lot more people. Do you live in San Fran? Used to live in San Francisco. I lived there for about 2 years. Probably almost 3-4 years ago, give or take, for example. You can see how, yeah, because this is pretty easy to like get the script. You don't have to memorize it. We used OBS. Gling was great. CapCut was easy. And then because I want more A/B testing, I'll try different scripts. Like later tonight, after this, I'll record like 3 or 4 versions. I technically want 3 versions. When you run ads, you always want to, like, I want to A/B test and then from there, it's like I see you all every time I open up, dude. It's your contents already. You're in my ecosystem. This is to bring me new people, new people into my ecosystem. That they're like, who's this guy? AI from him? Nah, swipe. He's a Dr. AI. What kind of Dr. AI are you? I can't wait for the hate comments. I get so much hate comments every day. It's so great. You have to have a tough skin to do social media. 'Tis not for the weak. Okay, so that's version 2. So now we test it just to make sure we can read all the text and it's not. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Oh, way better. AI? You're not alone. You know AI can help your business, but you don't know where to start. Better. There's a new tool, a new hack, and you're spinning your wheels with no real strategy how to actually use AI. If you're short on time and you're tired of feeling behind, join my free 5-day AI business challenge. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to save hours, stay organized, and actually grow your business. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills. Click below to grab your spot, and let's get you unstuck. Are you feeling overwhelmed? I need to stop eating pizzas. That's like a little chunky. Oh, squeeze a little cheeks. Oh. Simple Text Skills is the website, the link in bio. So now we need to add text right here, text below right here. So let's take a look at, so the website is simpletextskills.com. So let's look at my competitor. What did you put? Kickstart your AI journey curiosity. So I just want 100 characters. So I'm going to use my custom GPT and I'm going to say, give me, oh man, if this works out, this is actually way better. Okay, where's the script? Refresh. Script. Give me a 80 character call to action to put in text of ad. Nice. Using AI. Okay. Free 5-day AI challenge, AI business challenge. I like that. So let's work with that. Free 5-day AI business challenge. Use AI to save time and grow your business fast. Actually, that works out perfect right in there. So free 5-day AI business challenge. Nothing better than a free thing. Use AI to save time and grow your business fast. I like it. Okay, cool. Got some copywriting. That was easy. Okay, place the ad. Yes. Call to action. Interested visitors. Okay. Oh, so it will actually A/B test different buttons. So call to action kind of allows you to choose the action. I want to sign up, so I don't need this. Oh, nice. So it gives you a whole bunch of them. Now, applying. Oh, I wonder. Interested, watch now, order, check out, read. I think it will A/B test different buttons. Are you interested? And sign up. I think it'll be the two. So call to action allows you to choose an action where you want people to take. It appears at the bottom of the ad with position dynamically adjusted based on the delivery performance. Okay, so I could A/B test here. That's actually learn more. Listen up, subscribe, get tickets, pre-order now, interested, apply now, visit store. Okay, so test interested, sign up, or learn more. Is there a deadline? No, because it's technically gonna be evergreen. I'm going to actually enroll them automatically into a Circle course, and in the Circle course, it's gonna run and drip the videos once a day. Because what I wanted to do is I want it to be evergreen. I don't want to I don't want to sell my time. Or I was like, I want this to be evergreen, kind of like a webinar, so that it's always running, and then they could join when they're available, because sometimes maybe their mornings are available, maybe their evenings are available and stuff like that. They could binge the course. And the whole goal, I think it will be like 30 to 45 minutes of video. I think 45 minutes is pretty max. If I could do 30 minutes a lesson, and then they could binge. So with as little as 30 minutes a day, you could learn how to use AI completely for free. But 30 times 5 divided by 60 is roughly 2.5 hours spent with me. That's not bad for that's basically a webinar. So that's enough to pitch a $97 course. And then if the conversions are low, then I could re-record them to like a higher. I could record them to like 45 minutes or just give more value, which will just have them spend more time with me, which then increase the for that. Okay, so now we create a form. Learning how to run an ad. Ooh, oh, we can even stylize it. I want use a template. We have some nice templates. Okay, just education and recite. Yeah, it's just this one right here. Simple. Give me this one. Cool. I don't want a background. Can I just create my own? Shoot. Can I close out of this? TikTok Insta page? That's okay. Can I just create my own? Ooh, nice. Card layout, form layout. Show all the questions in one page. Show one question per page. Show one question. I just want email. That's all I want. Okay. Background. Can I just make it a color? Do you want your logo? Do you want the title? Wait, so how does this work? Title here. So where to send the course. So I'm going to have ChatGPT fill this out for me. Okay, so ChatGPT, give me a call to action for the title and description. I just want their email to enroll. Say they can get started today or tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. So yeah, I like that works. Simple. Or actually no, wait, and then here start the free. Actually, that's not bad actually. Well, what do you say if I put this at the image now? Here's a clean, effective way. Where should we send day one? Okay, enter your email to join the file. Okay, I like that. Where should we send day one? I like that. And then here, enter your email to join. And you'll get access to day one in your inbox. I think we could just cut it there. Simple. Yeah. So where should we send day one? Enter your email to join the 5-day AI business challenge. You'll get access to day one in your inbox. Nice. Can you give me Canva a background, just a nice AI background? Nice custom. I want simple. Custom size. Give me 1080 by 1920, and then give me a theme of AI, something techie. That's not bad. It's a little much, but I can. Ooh. It's like the Matrix. Okay, and then we can make the background black. I have no design. I can't say negative things. I have decent graphic design. Oh yeah, just like that right there. Some little style. Okay, this is going to be TikTok ad form background. Okay, share, download, PNG status. Give me all this. All of the skills that we're learning in the community are coming into play for this moment. Okay. They're showing you guys how easy it is to run ads, because then you can run ads and you don't have to create content. You don't have to go live. You still should go live, but still. Winston's like, bro, I see you every time I open the app. What do you mean run ads? your 10 pieces of content a day is already enough. It's a perfect plan. Did it Download. Okay. Oh wait. Download. TikTok does this thing where it's like, or Instagram does this thing, or Canva does this thing where it's like, hey, you only have one thing, so it won't give you that. So I'm just gonna add another element and make it invisible, so it thinks there's two elements there, because you can't download one element. Copyright things, but you can hack it. See, don't tell me no. Okay, here, background. Sure, yeah, that's okay. Confirm. Ah, very, very nice. Where should we send day one? I feel like there should be like a little graphic, just a little sum, like they're gonna get something, like a something to be like a course, like just a little graphic, maybe this, and make it white. So like something like that. And then just a little icon, or like this. Actually, that. Which icon is better? Because that degree kind of like feels like they're gonna be like, it's like, I'm not in college, bro. Like, is this a college course, or you're gonna be like, yeah, like that. Center that. Yeah, those slick ones, nice. And very nice. Okay, let's try that. Here, download. Where's the, should go right above, there's a circle right there. So right above, technically like right above here. That's what we want, okay? A little Zen, or like, what do they call it? Feng Shui. Or so not pronounce that. I know, T-Mobile. Bam, pink. Like that. When you go in the course, I'll show you guys her course. I put her whole lecture tomorrow, or yesterday, I put it in the community, so I'll give you guys access to that. It's because if you guys want to rewatch it, because not gonna lie, there, nice. Where should we send day one? Enter your email to join the 5-day challenge and you get access. Very simple, very simple. Okay, and then display a time as by turning this on. You can estimate how long it takes. Now let's go questions. I just want the email. Can I cut this? And I don't want first name, I don't want last name, I don't want your phone number, I just want the email. Enter your contact information. Okay, so it just gives you a little form, very simple. Just says, hey, enter your email, and that's it. So simple. Okay, description, optional. Enter your contact. Enter your best email. Enter your, where should we send day 1 to? Is it TOO or TO? TO? TO. 2. Yeah. Where should we send day 1 to? Because I don't have Grammarly here. TO. Thank you. Mastermind community, and then view company's name. Okay, so add personal card. No, I don't need that. Privacy. Okay. Company name, Simple Tech Skills. View company at Simple Tech Skills Privacy. Oh, okay, so it adds it there. Adds our privacy policy. We have a very long privacy policy at simpletechskills.com. Oh my god, the purple. And then here we have our privacy policy. Privacy policy copy. You always need a privacy policy whenever you run ads too. And a question mark. Ooh, where should we send day 1 to? You're right. You're absolutely right. So then that's going to be under questions. Here, question mark. So then it goes like this. Where should we send day 1 to? Enter your email. There's simple text privacy policy. All that, because some people do read it. Okay, I don't need logic. I don't need anything else. Privacy, that's it. Okay, cool. And complete. Oh, wait. View website. Oh, okay. I'll give you the website. Call to action. If you want, do you need to view the website, or can I just send you to my profile? Because I'd rather you actually go to my profile than the website. Please provide your website beginning with HTTPS. Okay. HTTPS. View website. Sure. Complete. I should send them to a landing page with it, but that's okay. This will work too. I'm going to just say continue. Thank you for the response. Okay. The course day 1 has been sent to your email. Day 1 has been sent to your email. See you in the training. Jonathan Acuna. Okay, view website, sure. Thank you. Okay, wait. Thanks for the response. No. Here. Paste. Day one has been sent to your email. See you in the training, Jonathan Acuna. Yeah. Something like that. So it's like, that's the thank you message. Day 1 has been sent to your email. See you in the training, Jonathan Acuna. They'll be like, who's Acuna Matata? Okay. Okay, complete. Okay. Oh, looking good. Any chance it gets thrown to spam, or should they check to find it? It's a hit and miss. Like sometimes I'm going to be using Kit to send the email, so usually Kit doesn't send it to spam, because I've sent like thousands of emails so far from my email domain, so it's pretty verified. Because people do open them. I hope. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now we get to the fun part. This is what I've been. Oh, geez, 20. I want to do $10 a day. 2 to 7 leads daily recommended. Can I create my own? Can I do $10 a day? Wait, 33 divided by 3, so $11 a day. Can I do 11? Oh, geez, they're like, TikTok's like, nah, you ain't doing less than $20. Like, done. Okay, let's do $20 a day. I guess, well, then I could only test one ad campaign, which, that's okay. Do I feel like a gambling man to just go 30? I need to spend $1,000 anyways. Let's just do 20 and I can increase it from there. Start running your ad continuously. 20, yeah. Oh, start and end time. No, just let it run. Because so you'll spend $25 on some days and less on there. Oh, they do like a bidding thing. So go 30. Damn. Gabrielle's like, don't be cheap. Go 30. Done. Let's see. And then run it continuously. That's cool. Audience targeting, United States. Technically, I'll do the audience kind of thing, which is not bad. And then this is like, for context, I used to spend like $100 a day, and like when you get to that stage, it's a whole, like, you just get desensitized to like that thing where it's like, yeah, gender, all languages. I think I just want English. Show me the English. All genders, all that. That's it for targeting? Like there's no more for like targeting. I can't like interest based anything. I can't. Wow. Okay. You will reap $30 plus if your ad works. Oh yeah, because even if I get I guess they do the targeting for you. That's why I was curious too. I was like, how do they do targeting? Thank you, Gabrielle. Let's go all in. Okay. And then publish. And then, okay, so let me just set up the payments. So yeah, I guess they do the targeting for you based on the ad copy. So let me move this over here. Okay, this automatic. How do you want to do payments? Link your card to automatic payments. Understand a recurring daily threshold. Yeah, I want automatic payments. And then I gotta build the challenge. Do your card. Enter the card number. To verify your card, you'll be charged $10 and then refunded. That's cool. Okay, enter address. I mean, this is way easy. Not gonna lie, this is way easier than. Let me just double check everything. Yeah. Okay, submit. It's processing. By confirming, you allow pop-ups, and then you can continue to finish paying. Okay, allow pop-ups. They're checking my internet security. They're doing payment authentication. Fingers crossed. Happy days. Happy days. Happy days. Processing payments. Okay. Payment method added. Okay, success. Then it's closed. Now it's creating the ad. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Look at it's doing the thing. Congratulations! We have all of your information. You just published your first TikTok ad campaign. No way. Okay. Now, very important. Customize your table. Ooh, wow. Ooh, data. Okay, please. You know what? I mean, all in all, I was very satisfied with that. Like the overall experience of it, like that was very smooth. That was not gonna lie, that was like 1,000 times easier than Facebook and Instagram because you got to do like the pixel and you got to do the 4 different forms and then you got to do targeting and then you got to set up like maybe this actually was worked out a lot better that Facebook denied or like restricted my account from like running ads. Again, when one door closes, God opens, he demolitions a whole wall and says, go out here. Okay. What steps made you satisfied? Honestly, like the creative was simple. The business stuff was simple. Objectives was easy. How would you rate the ease of use? I'd say yeah. No, there was no errors. What the important feature? No, thank you. Submit. I'll give him some feedback. A little 5-star review. Okay, now more importantly, dashboard. This is dope. Okay, so here I'm gonna definitely bookmark this. Give this to Alfred. So TikTok advertising, TikTok ads. So you give it to Alfred when you bookmark it, so I could come back to this page. More importantly, then I'm going to. This is also very important. Something I do too. I'm gonna create a Notion file. That's gonna be my ad project file, basically in Notion. And then so I'll link all the resources. Here's a TikTok ad. I know it's a little small. TikTok ad account. Account for metrics. So I'll link that. My daily ad budget, because I always forget. Daily ad budget is $30. My start date is very important. Start date was 5-19-25. Okay, and then here's going to be for the funnel. Okay. And then if I were to do a quick little checklist just for myself right now, I need to do is create the video ad creative, which we did. Then create the TikTok ads in case I want to like repeat these steps. Then, which is basically GPT for the script, OBS record, Gling for video editing, CapCut, because I don't want to think about this next time. I want to be able to repeat this quickly. So SOPs, standard operating procedures, save your brain some space. CapCut for vertical with captions. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. Then create the ad, which was very easy. So just make a note. Just do the form. So that was for leads was the objective, and then do form. Just email form. Pretty much it. Okay, cool. Then. So the next things I have to do is I have to create the automation, or I have to create the Kit, which is what I'm gonna do after. Create the email sequence. I need to know need to upgrade this too. So okay, that's cool. So Kit, create the email sequence to start, and then I think I could get away with Zapier for version 1, or make.com, but I think I'm just gonna use Zapier. I need to create an automation from TikTok ads, new lead, to Kit email sequence, and then if I can also circle auto enroll, because I could just auto enroll them, and then before I do that I gotta also do the, I'll do it here, here, circle create, sorry, making it easy for you guys. Okay, circle create, oops, low battery, okay, circle create 5-day challenge, okay, 30-minute videos, teaching, well, too bad I can't get the ad, but let me do the notes for the ad here, here H2 ad, so that I know what was the ad account, or free 5-day challenge, learn how to do AI fast, okay, and then also I'm gonna upload the video here just so I have it as history that I could always review it. So we got the video, I got the call to action. So circle, I need to get ChatGPT to create curriculum. It's always fun. Isn't that great? I launched a 5-day challenge and I don't even have the 5-day challenge set up yet. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 4 hours to create just day 1 and the automation and all this. So this is where it's like, get demand first and then build the product second, because you're going to be super motivated. And then I'll give them access to it. I do have to upgrade. I have to upgrade Circle anyway. So I need to upgrade Circle to next tier to unlock API. Then I need to create the day 1, and then later I need to create automation in Circle. There's a little extra, but it's like to kick them out after 7 days, or they could just get unlimited access to it. It's like, do I just keep them in there? Yeah, let's just keep them in there, because I could kick them out, but then it's like, I don't want to deal with that automation. Okay, and then I think that's it. Then it's just test enrollment and then review ads. Okay, cool. There's the ad. And time. Done. That is, in 1 hour, how you guys could take a screenshot if you guys are interested too. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Cool. The ads are up. We built an ad campaign without any experience knowing how to do it or wrote ads. It's like we just had to set a goal and execute on it. So the ads are going to be running. We'll get some data. I love some data. The demographic, age, location. It's really only gender and location are the only 2 variables, and then you don't get access to any of the other data of like who's actually doing it. So you can't like target specific like anything. It's going to test the algorithm, let the algorithm do its thing, which I that's dope. And then I got to figure out how to do the automation, the Zapier. That's because that should be easy. I don't think I'm gonna get more than 100 leads a month, so I could do the free plan on Zapier. Zapier is just gonna be easy, just to quickly get the lead out from the ad platform and drop them right into the sequence. I used to do that with Facebook ads. That was like pretty easy. So that's what I'm gonna work on, because now I have a time limit to work on this. Like, so I'm gonna use ChatGPT to create the curriculum and stuff. I'm just gonna put on some headphones and then just rock this out. And then next time you see me at 9 p.m., I should have, we'll see how much I get built, but I should have most of the stuff. So the goal is to get the day 1 At least because there's infrastructure, then there's the actual course to build. So I need to build the infrastructure, which is the automation, the enrollment, the 5-day challenge, and then there's and the email sequence, and then there's the actual course, which I'll record the course, which that should be pretty easy. And then I just have to get day 1 done today, and then they'll drip feed day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 after it. So roughly 30 minutes they can learn AI, and so consume 2.5 hours of me, which is technically longer in a shorter form. And they'll be in Circle, so they don't get access to anything else there than that course in Circle. If you guys are in the community, you guys will get access to the 5-day challenge. So I'll just give you guys access to the challenge anyway. So if you guys want to binge it and want to watch it and stuff like that, so if you want to create your own 5-day challenge to get leads, and I tell my members, I'm like, copy me. Like, there's no competition. I'm like, copy me. Like, please, like, use me, like, in the sense of like, teach ChatGPT, run ads, become AI consultants, because I couldn't teach the whole world even if I tried. So that's where I'm like, if you're in the community, you get access to all the resources. So I'll give you access to this whole workflow, and then I'll eventually make a little recording course of like how to run TikTok ads now that I know. Just got smarter, little brain neurons went new neurons. Cool. I'm excited. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. I have some work to do, and I'll give you guys an update at 9 p.m. So in an hour and a half. So I'll see you guys, and thank you so much, Sarah and the community, Daisy, for all the feedback. Super helpful. I would not have been able to get this ad if it wasn't for my amazing community. So I'm truly blessed for each and every one of you. Awesome. I'll keep you guys posted. Gabrielle, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.